Welcome back to Dirt Cop Dual Sport. I'm out here riding with my buddy Talon from Explore the PNW. If you like hiking and 4x4ing and four-wheelers, Talon's your man. So I'll link his channel down in the first comment and you guys should check him out. Here we are on my first ride of the season with my friend Talon. And there's lots of flowers out and about. It's been raining off and on all day. Big showers, lots of hail, lots of rain. But it's kind of nice now. We're just gonna see how far we can get up this road. He's never been up this one. Got some little saws with us, so hopefully we can take care of any logs that get in our way. It's hard to go riding with four-wheelers because they're just not quite as fast as a bike and not as nimble, but still fun. Especially when you're out with a good friend. It looks like someone came up here today, but for the most part, I bet no one's out and about, which is pretty cool, just because of the rain, I guess. Whoa, a little chipmunk is whizzing by me. Oh, good. I can see Talon back there. There he is. But honestly, you cannot beat these spring days in North Idaho. You got this crazy weather, and you never know if it's going to be 75 or 50 or 40. When I looked at my weather app, it said there's a 20% chance of rain at 3 o'clock today, and it's basically been raining off and on all day. It's crazy. Love it. I love unpredictable weather. Here comes Talon. What?
What a cool climb.
Yeah. Nice view, huh?
Yeah.
How's everybody's riding season going? I haven't been out as much as I'd like. It's just the weather's not cooperating. My tongue's not cooperating. But I quit my job in Alaska, so I should have more time to go out. I thought having 2 weeks off at a time would give me a lot of riding time, but it actually didn't. I had to play catch up with everything I neglected while I was gone at work. Well, it actually limited my time, but that's okay. I still got some good vacations in there. Got a lot of good rides in. Well, I hope everyone enjoyed my motorcycle maintenance video. I know I enjoyed making it. Just kidding, I don't really like working on motorcycles, but it did have some cool shots in there. Now my bike's riding real well and running really well. I hope you all are maintaining your bike like you should, because I know that a TW200 is a nice, reliable bike, but you should still keep it well maintained. Change the oil, tighten the chain, lube the chain. Oh, hell yeah. And there is my town that I live in. That little neighborhood on top of that hill's where I grew up. What's up, Talon? Oh, almost hit that log. Alright, this little hill climb is always fun. I wasn't sure how far I was going to be able to get up here, but it looks like all the way to the top. Yeah. Who was that from? Helmet?
Fender?
Oh yeah, I think you're right.
Or a handguard?
Oh yeah.
Or a handguard and
they zip tied it back together. Yeah, you're right. That is a handguard, huh? That's hilarious. Oh, yeah. All these logs weren't put up here the first time I found this place.
Yeah.
I came up here, I was like, that's weird. At least you're only like a foot off the ground. All right, should we keep going?
Yeah.
Cool.
something.
Like, what the hell was the point? Like, you'd think, like, was it, they're sitting there, like, waiting for animals, but no, because it'd be squeaky, you know? How was it?
You're like, there's the turnoff.
Yeah. Should we go down that? Not right now. When we come back, maybe. Oh yeah, yeah. I was like going up there, and I'm like, this is even worse than I remember. It was even worse than I remember. All right. Well, I got that out of the way. Oh, I got one more hill climb. Actually, it might be more than one. I don't know. That was fun. Can Talon squeeze through here? I almost got impaled. Or we're gonna saw that thing. Oh, you got through! I was gonna saw it! No, you got through. I haven't been up here in a while. Yeah, I think we should be good. That was pretty fun. I see we've got some white fur down. White fur. Whoa. I'm sliding all over the place today. Alright, well, that guy said that he hit snow last week, but that there is a log up here that hasn't been cut out very well. But I think I'm just going to see, because that was last week. You know, it might be different now. Someone might have come up. These are all cut up pretty wide, so maybe someone's been up here. Let's just see how far we can go. That's crazy how far we can go right now, actually, with all that snow gone. It's beautiful. It's so green and nice. I'm never going back to Alaska to work. That's crazy. Very happy about that. Very happy about that. Oh no, do you think I lost Talon? Well, I'm going to go up here a little ways, and I'll wait for him. He's behind me somewhere. Oh, it looks like we're running into our first snow. I saw it back there. See, I think this might be the log that guy was talking about. It looks like someone did it. Yeah, look at that. But there are, look at these big things. That's crazy. Now, there's a lot of big trees down here. That is insane. That little road is done for. Alright, well, I don't know how much you guys heard just now. I'll, like, at some point, disconnected my mic. Oh, man. I was just, oh, this is fun to get around. Just getting into the snow. Oh, this is fresh snow. Yeah, it snowed last night. That's crazy. Make sure. Oh, look at him go. Oh, fuck, Talon. Scared me. You made me nervous there. You made me a little nervous there when I saw your tire come up.
Yeah, sorry.
That's all right. You handled that good. All right. Yeah. So last night and the night before, I think even it was snowing up in the mountains, and you can see that this is all fresh. Dang, May 16th. Huh, we're getting more snow in May than we got in freaking December. Well, I don't know what that guy's talking about. This is all cut out. That was the iffiest spot. Whee! Oh, this is so much fun. Oh shit. I thought that was a log hidden in there. It's getting, oh. Not getting anywhere after this. Yeah. I was like, I think we're going to make it up to the main road. Yeah, because it's been so clear. Then all of a sudden there's 2 feet of snow. Something I learned about Talon today is that he's never had smoked oysters. So I'm going to force him to have his first smoked oyster. And he might hate me after this, or he might love me. I don't know. All yours.
Just pull it off.
Oh, you can just eat it off there.
No, I'm shocked how spicy it is.
Oh yeah, I think this might be a spicy
Or
one.
smoked.
This one's got a lot of stuff. Want some more?
It's not.
Want another?
Maybe I'll try one more. I can't put my finger on what the is it like peppers or something.
Let me tell you.
Spicy something or other.
It's gourmet. That's all it says.
Ooh.
Naturally wood smoked whole gourmet.
Yeah, because I can taste like the wood smoke, but then yeah, it has like a little bit of a kick there at the end.
All right. If you had a Dirt Cop coffee deliciousness scale for tinned fish, what would you give it?
For the oysters, not ever having it before, or not having had it before. Honestly, I'd probably give it a. Do you do decimals?
Yeah, whatever you want.
I'll give it a 6.5. Maybe
6.5.
6.5, maybe 7. Right there around. Like I said, I don't know if those are. Is that the brand you always get?
Yeah.
Oh, so that's like your go-to.
Yeah, but not the gourmet kind. I've never had this kind with these. What are those? Carrots and peppers. I've never had that kind.
Huh.
But the polar is usually what I get.
Oh, it's carrots, onions, and peppers. Yeah,
I guess that's why it's spicy.
makes sense though.
I give it an 8. I think it's pretty good. But I've been eating it my whole life, so.
Is that a new segment and series you're going to do? You'll have coffee as well as you're going to try different canned fish.
Yeah, kind of. I do have a bunch of canned fish that I've been accumulating. I need to eat. So.
Nice.
8 out of 10 on the Dirt Cop 10 fish deliciousness scale. 6.5 from Talon though. I would give a 10 to the freeze dried pineapple though. That was pretty good.
Oh yeah. You can have more of that. You can wash down the freeze dried pineapple. We also had strawberry. I ate all the strawberries, but he said he likes the pineapple.
I like the pineapple
he
a little
can
better.
He can have his. It's like a dessert,
Yeah.
or like what'd you call it? Astronaut.
Pineapple's a 10.
Astronaut food.
Astronaut food. Think you ever eaten this on Artemis? I just stopped right here because it looked like maybe like a mining cut or something. Pretty cool. Anyway, sorry. Didn't mean to worry you. Right here. Oh my gosh, he kind of freaked me out, and it's not that big a deal, but I think I'm gonna try to get him. Oh yeah, looking good, Talon. Get through there. Yeah, buddy. Yes. These are called berry slipper orchids. They only grow in very specific places. It's usually not on a ridge. They're beautiful and very rare. Wow. Now, as we're riding up, I also saw some trilliums, but I'm not sure if they're right here. I don't see any. That's a huckleberry brush though. Goodbye, little guy. Yeah, we just found this road. Went down it pretty far, but ran some really big trees in the way. We just have a little saw, so. But someone had been ahead of us and sawed out a bunch of stuff, and that was pretty cool of them. Appreciate it. We ran into that same guy we ran into earlier. Look at this. Nice red fir sitting there. For anyone to use camping. There's gonna be no shortage of firewood this year for people. Jeez Louise. Grand fir, lots of grand fir. I could smell the grand fir when I was riding up here. Okay. Yeah. Best smelling tree. I love the smell of those. Talon's over there. I don't think he's peeing. Decided to just take a look at the side road. It looks like someone actually went through and cut all this out, which is pretty freaking cool. I never made it very far on this road. Go under this guy, looks like a spruce. Yeah, guess it's time to turn around. Put that up. Oh, we missed it. Yeah, there's another one. Look at all these. But look at this. I think this is the one I was looking at. That is crazy. Look at that. that's a great logo on your shirt. That turned out well.
Yeah.
I'm not doing a new coffee taste test today. I just brought one of my favorite instant coffees, the Trader Joe's Basic Instant Coffee. I don't think I've drank this coffee since the last time I was at this creek, but I bet it's still a 10 out of 10. Yeah, this is my favorite instant coffee. 10 out of 10 Trader Joe's coffee.